Okay. The engine rebuild kit came. Yay. Happy day. But before I start rebuilding that engine, and I still got a ton of things to do, I would like to start getting rid of some of this rust. So I'm going to work on that before I finish the engine, I think. As I'd like to get this all done, put the engine in here without the front clip, run it, make sure it's good. Let's go.
Hello, it's Sunday driving. Today, I'm learning how to weld. So right now, we did some planning already. I got the two bases. One of them is drying off, and I just
All right, let's weld.
So the fan, you might need to look away, okay?
I'll look away. You do what you gotta do. Nope. See where the metal's? Okay, there you go. Go ahead. I'm ready. Not bad, kiddo. That's actually pretty good. That's good, son. Good job. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Go ahead, nice long. All right, see ya. You gotta. All right.
Yeah, got it.
It's gonna be hot.
Built. You guys should post the video, too.
You're fine. Good job, son. Proud of you. Okay, I gotta take this heater core out. So there's some hoses I have to disconnect, and I'll get all this old nasty pad out here. Clean it up. She's gutted. I got the heater core out, club box out, all the nasty mouse-filled stuff out. Now I'll take my patented metal weak finder. Solid there. This is gonna be weak though. I've got a lot more to do over there. You can see right there, and I've got a lot of rot. So start finding what's weak and start making some patches. Here we go. here's the end result. Well, at least for behind the engine on the firewall. It's got runs, it's got dirt in the paint. I don't care, it's a wrap. It's just a nice little touch of color. So, yeah, I've got the cabs welded up for the most part. There's a little bit more welding. Obviously, I still have a hole in this side to fill, so I didn't paint that part because I'm still going to do some welding around here. So, well, my goal was just to paint and get this finished mainly behind the engine, so I can put the engine in and not have to fight for space, or if I had to weld it or paint it or whatnot. So, we're on our way. We'll start throwing the engine in. Go from there.